Welcome to the Science Hub Academy. Can you name this compound in 5 seconds? FeCN6 4-. 99% students fail here. Coordination compounds feel hard? It's not memorization, it's understanding. Let me show you a simple shortcut that turns naming into a game. Here we go. What is a coordination compound? A coordination compound has a central metal ion, usually a transition metal, and ligands attached to it. For example, potassium hexacyanoferrate 2 ion. Step-by-step naming trick. Step 1. Identify the coordination sphere. Everything inside bracket is the complex ion, and it is called coordination sphere. For instance, hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. This whole part is the coordination sphere. Step 2. Name ligands first. Ligands always written before the metal. For example, CONH3 6 Cl3. Hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. The ligand amine is written before the metal cobalt. Types of ligands on the basis of their nature. 1. Neutral ligands. For instance, NH3 equals amine, H2O equals aqua, and CO equals carbonyl. 2. Negative ligands. For example, Cl negative equals chloro, OH negative equals hydroxo, and Cn negative equals cyano. Add prefixes if the same ligand is present more than one, like this: di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa. For example, 6NH3 equals hexaamine, 4H2O equals tetraaqua. Types of ligands. On the basis of attachment. 1. Simple ligands. Bind in one way only. Example, ammonia and chloride. 2. Ambidentate ligands. One ligand, but may have 2 attachment options. These ligands can attach through different atoms, so naming changes. For instance, nitro group, NO2 negative. If it connects through nitrogen atom, then it is called nitro. And if connects through oxygen atom, then nitrito. Similarly, cyanide group, CN. If connects with central metal ion through carbon, then it is named as cyano. And if connects through nitrogen atom, then it is named as isocyano. Key concept. Same ligand, but show different bonding, therefore different name will be given. 3. Bridging ligands. One ligand connects 2 metals. When a ligand links 2 metal centers, we use mu. Examples: mu chloro, mu hydroxo. Step 3. Arrange alphabetically. Ignore prefixes while ordering. It means that if 2 ammonia ligands and 3 chloride ligands are present, the name will be written as diamine trichloro. This is because amine comes before chloro, because A is alphabetically present before C. Step 4. Name the metal. Add metal name plus its oxidation state. In oxidation state is usually written in Roman numerals, like CO3+ goes to cobalt 3. Fe2+ goes to iron 2. Step 5. Find oxidation state. Formula. Oxidation state equals total charge minus ligand charges. Example: CONH3 6 Cl3. NH3 equals 0. Ammonia ligand is neutral and have no charge, one chloride have -1 charge, so 3 chloride ions have
3 negative charges.
is that 3Cl negative. So complex is equal to +3 oxidation state. Therefore, cobalt has +3 oxidation state in this compound. Here is an important concept. Complex compounds are composed of one complex ion and one simple ion. Sometimes the complex ion is cation and the simple ion is anion.
And sometimes complex ion is anion and simple ion is cation.
And the complex compound is overall neutral. For example, potassium hexacyanoferrate. In this complex compound, potassium has +4 oxidation state. 6 cyanide ligands have -6 oxidation state, while iron has +2 oxidation state. +4 and +2 is equal to +6, which cancels the -6. So overall, the complex is neutral.
Step 6. Special rule. Anionic complex. If complex is negative, it's mean that complex is anion. Then the metal name changes to 8 for examples, iron as ferrate, copper as cuprate, silver as argentate, gold as aurate. Golden rule, very important. Cation is always named first, then anion. Case 1. Complex is a cation. Example, CuNH3,4SO4. CuNH3,4 2 positive is a complex cation. SO4 2 negative is a simple anion. Name, tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. Case 2, complex is an anion. Example, K4FeCN6. K positive is simple cation. FeCN6 4 negative is complex anion. Name, potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. Important insight. Even if the complex part is negative, the simple cation, like K+, is still written first. Some important examples. CONH3,6Cl3. Hexaamine cobalt 3 chloride. CuNH3,4SO4. Tetraamine copper 2 sulfate. K4FeCN6. Potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. NiCO4. Tetracarbonyl nickel 0. PTNH32Cl2. Diamine dichloroplatinum 2. CrNH36Cl3. Hexaquachromium 3 chloride. Final quick summary. Identify complex ion. Name the ligands first. Write down ligands in alphabetical order. Write metal and its oxidation state. Add 8 for negative complexes. Write down cation always first, then anion. See? It's not hard. It's just a pattern. Practice 3 to 4 questions and you'll master it. Tell me in the comment section that how much you learned from this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Your support means a lot.